a Himalayan dipper. This female is hunting for aquatic insects to feed her hungry chick. Even though he's just a few days old, he's already a whopper, with an appetite to match. When close by, they easily call to each other. He's swallowed up by the torrent and washed downstream. When Mum returns, her chick is nowhere to be seen. So she produces a high-pitched call, blocking out the background noise. We can tune into it. It's their own communication channel that cuts above the background din. So her chick can still hear her. Even at such a young age, he's already found his voice and calls back. High-pitched sounds are easier to locate, so from his call alone, Mum can track him down. And the pair are reunited.